Colin, your personal butler for the rest of your stay here in our hotel. Can I have your luggage, please? Okay, ma'am. I have received your luggage. Is there any?
Nandito na kayo.
Nothing.
Okay, let me accompany you to the reception area. This way, please.
Sir, village na.
Okay, ma'am. Can I borrow your pin?
Tapos, hatak nyo na. Sige po.
Okay, so
Bitawan nyo
your
na
room
siya.
number is 201 and it is located on the 22nd floor of this building. To get you there, we will be using an elevator after you pass. Okay, ma'am, when approaching to your room, let me orient you on the facilities and services that we have offering in our hotel. On the right side of this building, we have a buffet restaurant with salon and spa beside it. And the left side wing of this building, we have a KTV bar along with a mini department store. We do also have a World-class infinity pool at the top of this building. And we have a gifts and souvenir outlet.
Yung pangalawa wrong
Okay, ma'am, we're already carrying your wrong number, 201. Once again, can I borrow your name?
right side.
May ulitin pa rin.
Okay, ma'am, as I tap your
Orient tayo ha. Pantay ka lumakas sa sir.
it means your door is
Tignan mo kung tatakbo yung kaluluwa sa
Let me
gilid.
check your room.
Kaliwa kanan, kaliwa.
Parang mga...
Okay, ma'am, your room is in visitation. Please have a seat.
Yan, sir. Ano mo? Ito, sir.
Hindi mo siya put your luggage on the bed
Okay,
or
next. Tatak na yun. Open, open.
Okay, ma'am, as you can see, your room is in fully air
Pag pala yan,
conditioned. You have a 24/7 Wi-Fi connection with queen size
Isa,
bed.
dito dapat
There's
mayroon.
a coffee table beside on it. A vanity mirror, a 55-inch LED TV, and
Tapos,
you
sir, yung
can
meron, may
see
silang
inside the bedroom with mirror. If you have any questions or requests, just dial the following number. 0 for the housekeeping, 01 for the reception area,
Tapos, ito na kayo, sir.
02 for the laundry, and 03 for the buffet. Once again, ma'am, my name is Colin, your personal butler, and enjoy your stay. Thank you.